and how I want you to practice this. So tapping. I'm a big believer because if you attaching it to something, you as a drummer will start to really understand this. This is really important that it is here. So this is our 8th note, and it's going to sound like this. You can do this in 2 measure segments. If you notice, for the entire tune, the 2 measures rhythmically are identical. Okay? In other words, 8th note, 16th note triplet, 2 8th notes, 16th note triplet, 3 8th notes, and then 2 8th notes, 16th note triplet, 2 8th notes, 16th note triplet, 2 8th notes. So like it's the same. It's the triplets are kicked over a beat on the second measure. So on the first, it's beat 2 and beat 5 are the triplets, and on the second measure, it's beat 3 and beat 6. So it just kicked over, and that's why it gets all fucked up feeling. Okay. And incidentally, when you put the bass together with it, it's going to sound wrong. And you're going to be like, it can't be what it is. But it is. So anyway, we'll start with the right hand. Just the first 2 measures. If you go, bam. Da, 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 da. So I'm going to end on the first note of the second line, and it's the same thing for the second line. So if you can, when you learn that, you can just loop that little section until it feels good, and then you play it with the loop that I'm going to give you, and then it will be really solid. But that's really slow. Again, it's going to be right.
Yeah.
But in order to really get this, especially the technique with your fingers. Okay?
Was that just this whole bar?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the 2.
Oh,
the first line. So do that tapping, get that down, then do the left hand tapping as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's such a weird bass line.
It is.
But it works. When you put it together, it works really well. So you need to memorize the whole thing. I'll play both hands for the it's slow, but just so you can really see what's going on. So 1. It's real slow.
Yeah.
But if you can get it at that tempo, speeding it up is easy.
Yeah.
It's getting all your ducks in a row, because it's just like, it's constantly, what I love about it is knocking you back and forth in your body. It's like, what? It's crazy.
The rhythm is very
back and forth. But remember, it's going to be... Isn't that fucked up? Oh my god, I can't... let me do that again. Oh my god. What was that? And again, this is just one way. There's a million variations of this, but if you start with this, start talking about variations, you'll start to hear them too in the different versions of this tune.
Yeah.